Bowflex Xtreme Home Gym Pricing explained what you get for your money. The Bowflex Xtreme is one of the most recognized names in home strength training. But with so many gym options out there, what exactly are you paying for, and is it worth the investment? Let's find out. The Bowflex Xtreme 2 costs about $499, and that one-time price gives you access to over 70 possible exercises targeting every major muscle group. Instead of traditional weights, Bowflex uses patented power rod resistance up to 210 pounds standard, upgradable to 310 or even 410 pounds. The resistance system keeps workouts smooth and joint-friendly, which is a big advantage for beginners or anyone recovering from injuries. Most people get this wrong. They assume home gyms can't match free weights. But the Bowflex system delivers consistent resistance throughout the motion, activating muscles in a unique way that's both safe and effective. You can perform exercises like lat pull-downs, leg curls, chest presses and bicep curls all from one compact machine. And with no need for heavy weight plates, it's perfect for home use. So, what do you get for your money? A durable, space-efficient, full-body training system that eliminates the excuses to skip the gym. If you want versatile, proven strength training without cluttering your home, the Bowflex Xtreme gives you everything you need for long-term results in one sleek setup.